Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get a step-by-step guide on how to make $250 per day. You don't need a website, you don't need any skills, and it's completely free. This method has worked really well for me to make commissions like this and this and this, and help my friends to have results like this and this. So this method really works. I'm excited to share it with you. Make sure you stick around until the end. I'm going to give you some tips on how to make this strategy work even better. If you're excited, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. $250 a day, and we're getting started right now. Okay, the first thing you want to do in making this $250 a day is to pick a niche. And these are the most profitable niches because people have the most problems in these niches. Wealth, health, and relationships. I would say make money online is a really great niche to get into right now because there's so many people looking to make money from home, make money on YouTube. That's another great niche. So the next thing that we're going to do after we decide what niche we're going to go into is we need to find out what people are already searching for in your niche. And basically we're getting in front of people, the traffic's already there, and we're just getting in front of this traffic. So in order to find some profitable keywords, we're going to go over to the YouTube search, because you can tell what people are already searching for, and YouTube search is the second largest search engine under Google. So we want to take keywords such as how to make money. If we type that in here, you will see all the things that come up underneath here. How to make money as a teenager, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money online as a teenager, how to make money on TikTok. There's all kinds of keywords here that are clues for you that these are things that people are already searching for. And if we take another one of these keywords here, how to earn from home with mobile, the longer the keyword, the better, because it's not as competitive. So how to make money from home through mobile. So if we do that, what's going to come up here is the top searches. This one here, it has 1.14 million subscribers, but they also have 1.7 million views on this video 10 months ago. I would say this is a very good keyword to go after, how to earn money from home through mobile, because a lot of people may not have a computer or a laptop, but they have a cell phone and they're still wanting to make money. So once you find the keyword, you want to make sure that the top searches have a lot of views on them, and this one definitely does. This one here, if we search how to make money as a teenager, if we search that, let's see what comes up and see if that's a good keyword to go after. Definitely. This one here comes up as 2.3 million views. That was a year ago. This one, 133,000 just 5 months ago. 320,000 3 months ago. So I would say this is a really great keyword as well. So you're just going to come up with a whole spreadsheet of keywords of things that people are already searching for in your niche, so that you're going to be able to create content around this, and I'll explain that here in just a minute. But you can see how to make money as a teenager on your phone, how to make money as a teenager without PayPal. And then if we go back to this keyword here, if you just click on it, you'll see the ones that come up: how to earn money at home using mobile 2020, how to earn money online at home on mobile. Those are really great keywords. Before we get into number 3, if you're enjoying this content, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon, that way you can be notified when I upload new videos. So let's go ahead and get on to number 3, is you're going to create a YouTube channel. Now hear me out here. A lot of people are like, I don't want to have a YouTube channel, but I'm telling you, people jump from opportunity to opportunity and they just never make money, and it's because they haven't mastered a traffic source. Once you learn to master a traffic source, you can sell anything. I promise you, it's worked for me, it's worked for people who have implemented this process, and it's absolutely crazy. I just had a friend yesterday win a contest, and he said, I cannot believe how effective YouTube is. And it may be just the thing that you need to do. If you're afraid to do it, you just need to do it. But you can have a very successful channel even without showing your face. You can use Screencast-O-Matic, that's completely free. I use Camtasia, and you can do a screen capture and you don't ever have to show your face. And let me show you an example. Burko Banks, he has over 100,000 subscribers. He never shows his face in any of his videos. And you can see that his banners they're okay. His banner's okay, thumbnails are okay. But he still has over 100,000 subscribers. This is just incredible how powerful YouTube is. So I don't want you to be afraid of it. And I'm going to share with you something really cool that you can take advantage of here in just a minute that will help you. But you're probably thinking, well, how am I going to figure out what to create? What content to create? Let me show you. If you go here and you take this title, well, first of all, you just take your keyword. You can do one of two ways. Take the keyword and go over to Google and type in your keyword. Okay. So right here, you can have all this content to look at: how to make money on your phone, 25 easy ways, 10 free mobile apps. These are all blog posts that you can get information from, put it in your own words, and create an outline. Like I used Camtasia for this outline right here. You can just do a screen capture, talk about what's on these blog posts. You don't want to actually copy them, but there's so much information here. It's just available to you. And then the other thing you can do is, let's just take Kevin David's video here for an example. We just take his title here and go over to Google and search again. I guarantee you that's where he found his content from. 9 best money-making apps of 2020. So he just took 14. So he went through here. Probably wasn't him. Probably someone does his research for him. But you can see there's all kinds of content here that you can look at. 63 apps. Okay, so you're never going to be at a loss for what kind of content to create. Just go do a Google search, or you can go to YouTube and see what other people are saying on their videos. You don't want to copy it, but obviously you can take bits and pieces from each one and create your own video from it. And then you want to have a call to action in your video to a link in your description. So I'm going to share with you how you can do that for free. There's a great offer that you can promote for free if you don't have an offer to promote. But let's say you're part of affiliate marketing program. You want to have your link in the description below your video. You want to have a call to action to it. But basically the concept here is, again, you're getting in front of people who have questions and you are providing an answer to them. But the concept is learn, do, teach. And don't worry if you're horrible at the beginning. Everybody is. I'm going to give you an example. Her name is Michelle, and I don't know that I can ever pronounce her last name, Pescalodito or something like that. But I remember when she first got started, her and her husband are multimillionaires now. And they're no different from anyone else. They started out, I remember her saying that I felt like I didn't know what I was doing at all. But basically what I did was I went out and I learned something, I did it, and then I taught it. And that is the strategy. And then she just became somebody who people would look towards that knew something. But she just went out and learned it and shared it with other people. And that's exactly what you need to do. It's very simple concept, and it can be amazing for you as far as the traffic that you get, the sales that you get. I'm a testimony to that. It's absolutely amazing, YouTube. The next thing we want to talk about is how to SEO optimize your videos after you've made them. Of course, you want to have a good thumbnail, but you want to put your main keyword at the beginning of your title. So this one here, how to make money as a teenager. Okay, if that's your keyword, you want that at the very beginning of your title, which none of these seem to have it there, but they may have another keyword related to that. So you want to do that first. You also want to have your keywords 3 to 4 times in the description, and also put keywords in your tags. And if you install something called vidIQ, it's a free Google Chrome extension, and then you'll be able to see the tags that this #1 video is using, and they have over 2 million views. So if we scroll down here, there's their video tags. You can just click on the paperclip here, copy and paste them into your video. Now I would take out the ones that say 2018 and 2019 because we're in 2020. You could change that. And then I wanted to share with you something super powerful. I said I would share it in another video, but you want to use the same core keywords in every video and on your channel advanced setting and upload to phone. That's like a mouthful. Let me explain to you what I'm talking about. So if we go to an incognito window here and we go to my YouTube channel, you want to show up in the suggested section of your own videos. Okay, so if we click on this video right here that I just posted a few days ago, Then, okay, these are ads right here, so those, they don't count. Do you see how my videos are showing up here? So it's going to be like an autoplay. They're going to play right after this. So let's see if we click on this video. Somebody's watching this video. I actually did not implement this strategy till recently, but you can see it again. I show up right here. If I click on this one right here, I show up right here rather than someone else's video. So they're watching my video and they look off to the right. Right here is my next video. So let me show you how to do this, because someone had asked me to explain this a little bit more. So I won't tell you exactly what my keywords are, but you want to get some keywords that is going to be your core keywords that you use on every video. And you're going to go to your YouTube studio. And then you're going to click on settings. And you'll click on channel. And this is where you're going to put your keywords. And these will show up on every video. And you really want them to be at the end of your keywords. And you also want them to be inside your description, the same keywords. And so what you'll do is you'll click on basic info and you're going to write a description that includes all of those keywords, but it has to be something very natural. You can see this is in the bottom of all my videos now, but it has to be something that makes sense with all the keywords in it. So you want the keywords in here. Again, you want them, the channel keywords that show up in every single video, the same ones, so that when someone's watching your video, they'll see your video coming up next and they'll go in this viral loop of watching your videos. And that's how you're going to start to rank in the suggested section. Okay, before we get on to number 5, if you want to learn my number 1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. I'm also going to leave my bonuses if you do decide to join me, and it has to do with YouTube. You're going to be able to get on a live Zoom call with me and my business partner, who has over 100,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, is doing really, really well too. We're going to mentor you twice a month on a Zoom call. And so take a look at those bonuses down below as well. Okay, number 5 is after you create the video, you want to make sure you syndicate it. The social networks that are below the video, just in case you don't know, if we go to my channel here, you want to make sure you're signed up for all of these. I noticed I got a sale from Reddit one time because I had syndicated my video on Reddit. So if you click on, you'll see that you can share these out to all these social networks. Of course, you have to sign up for them. Mix, LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger, that'll put it on a blog, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest. And then the other thing that I do is every time I post a video, I put it on my KarenMarrow.com blog. So it's another place that you can syndicate it. That's real easy. I just actually put a little line there and then put the video in there. And also, this is super important that you email your list every time you post a video, because that's going to get more views back to your video, and it's also going to help people to know who you are and like you and trust you. So here's an example of what I do every time I post a video. Right after I post it, I email my list. And so I will put my thumbnail, and when you click on this, here you put your URL to your video. This right here, put your URL to your video. And then that way people get to see your videos, you get more views to it, and again, they get to know, like, and trust you. Now, what are some tips? If you're just getting started and you don't have an affiliate program to promote, this is completely free. You can go to Digistore24, and I like this too because it's not just available in the US, you can be in any country. And there's a product called Tube Mastery and Monetization. I'm actually part of this program, but I do promote it as well. But if you just go to the marketplace here, you can see it's Matt Parr's auto webinar. It's a really great webinar, and you're gonna get $174. Actually, I think it's more than that. I don't know why it says 174, because the course is about $600. So you would get $200 and some dollars. But this is a great affiliate program to promote if you don't have anything else, and you can just get your promo link here after you sign up. Also, I wanted to mention to you, if you have a link in the description of all your videos that says my #1 recommendation for making money online, and you decide to promote something else, rather than going back to all your videos and changing out that link, you can use something called Click Magic, which is what I use. So you can see here, it's this is my domain name, freedomfromworkdays.com, top recommend. And I can switch this primary URL out at any time I want. So if I want to promote something else and collect leads for that, I can change this out. You can change this out if you have more than one program that you promote, and just change it out maybe once a week, or have it in some sort of rotation. That way you don't have to change all the links, and you can just automatically start getting leads. That's happened to me many, many times. The other thing you want to do is work on increasing your click-through rate and your average view duration. Jump cuts, I won't go into that, but it's different camera angles. It just keeps people's attention. That will really help with the retention rate. But I wanted to share this with you because it's super inspiring, and this is in Matt's Tube Mastery and Monetization. Like I said, I'm a part of that program. It's incredible training, but it's great to be an affiliate with it. But anyway, this gentleman had shared his results. If we scroll down here, you can see that his YouTube channel made over $8,000. This is through ad revenue, but as he scrolls through there, it's definitely 200, 300, average $250 a day or so. But he gave some really great advice. He said, stay consistent, post content, quality content. It will eventually happen for you. Hope this motivates someone out there. Don't ask about the niche. It's not relevant to you. Do your own research, create a weekly posting schedule, and stick with it. This channel has around 70 uploads. The first video I posted went viral. Sometimes it goes like that, but rarely. The main things to pay attention to when you work on your videos are thumbnails and titles. So that obviously is because you want people to click on it. If you don't have a good thumbnail, people won't click on it. And you want to have really good titles. You want to model after titles that are already winning. Also, publish consistently, study your analytics, and probably the most important metrics, the video retention rate and the click-through rate. So that's what we're talking about, having quality content. You're going to get better and better and better the more you do. There's just no way that you cannot get better. And the click-through rate is going to be when someone sees your thumbnail, do they actually click on it? So the better your thumbnail, the more people will click on it. And I do have a video on how to create great thumbnails. I will post that in the description below this video so you can take a look at what a good thumbnail is. And the higher the retention rate, the more viral you'll go, obviously. So just work on being consistent with uploading, having great content, and having a great thumbnail. So I hope you take this method and go out there and be really successful with it. Let's go ahead and continue the learning with this next video, how to make $7,500 per month re-uploading videos. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.